ladies, what's up? Welcome to the fourth and the second last episode of my bridal makeup series. In today's video, I'm gonna show you this post-bridal makeup look which is very easy to recreate. Just smoked out eyes with classic red lips. Make sure you watch the previous episodes in this series if you haven't already. And yeah, if you wish to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. I'll start with priming my face, and I'm gonna be using this MAC Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus in the shade Gold Light. For today's video, I'll try and use all the MAC products that I own. And though this is not one of my favorite brands, but I do have some products that I really like. So we'll be using those in today's video. Next, I'll be using this MAC Stroke Cream in the shade Peach Light. Now I really like this product because it adds a natural kind of a glow to your skin, and you can wear it as it is also without foundation, and it looks very pretty. Next, I'm going to be using this MAC Prep Plus Prime highlighter. This is supposed to be a brightening concealer, and it's in the shade Bright Forecast, but I have it in a peachy shade, so I'll use it as a corrector.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.
You can use any products. We can create the same look using any products from any brand. And guys, do send me a picture if you try out these looks. Don't forget to tag me on Instagram. For today's look, we'll keep the base very natural. ज़्यादा हम coverage नहीं देंगे. Now, I do not own a MAC foundation. I somehow do not like it. So, I'll be using my Milani foundation in the shade 03 Light Beige. A pump is enough, and I'll apply it using my beauty blender. Guys, always take your foundation into your hairline because it looks very weird. यहाँ से white दिखता है और यहाँ पे थोड़ा space रह जाता है. So always take it into your hairline.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know.
For priming my lids, I'll be using this MAC Painterly Pro Longwear Paint Pot. I'll take it on my finger and will apply all over my lids. This is a very nice eyeshadow primer. For eyeshadows, I'll be using this palette from MAC. You can see it has some beautiful shades, mattes as well as shimmers. So I'll start by grabbing this mauvish brown shade on a blending brush, and we'll apply it on the crease and a little above that. So this is gonna be my transition shade. So guys, जो भी ट्रांजिशन शेड होता है वो सबसे लाइट शेड लेना है हमें, जो हम पूरे आई लुक में यूज़ कर रहे हैं. तो हम उसको स्टार्ट करेंगे, जहाँ पे भी क्रीज है वहाँ पे रखेंगे और थोड़ा सा फ्लफी ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश लेंगे एंड यहाँ पे रख के और उसको ऊपर लेके जाएंगे थोड़ा सा, ऐसे करते ही. ऑब्वियसली ये थोड़ा फ्लफी ब्रश है, तो अगर हम यहाँ पे इसको पुश करेंगे तो देन ये ऊपर चला ही जाएगा.
एंड गाइज, यू कैन सी माई ब्यूटीफुल पिंपल नियर माई नोज, जिसका कोई इलाज नहीं है बिकॉज इट इज़ बम्पी. इसको हम कवर नहीं कर सकते हैं.
दैट्स डन, एंड आई विल ऑल्सो टेक इट ऑन माई लोअर लैश लाइन.
Let me know in the comments below if you want a dedicated video on acne, like how I get rid of my acne.
Next, I'll take this beautiful shimmery pinkish shade on my finger. I'll apply it in the center and halka sa inner corners mein. Next, I'm going to be taking this rose gold shimmery shade on a pencil brush, and I'll apply it in the inner corners. And you can see how it's making my inner corners pop. Now I'm gonna smoke out my lash line, and I'll be using this Kajal pencil from Nykaa. Now I'm gonna apply the liner using this kajal pencil, and then we'll smudge it out. I'll not take it till the inner part of the eye because anyways we are going to smudge it. और smudge करने से वो naturally यहाँ पे transfer हो जाएगा. So yeah, we do not want to take it till here. And taking a flat smudger brush, I'll smudge it. And you need to do this with a very light hand.
And look at my face. I have no idea why I make such faces while doing liner or kajal. Let me know in the comments below किस के साथ naturally ऐसा face बन जाता है. And I'll smoke it out, making a little wing.
Whatever is left on my brush, I'll take it on my lower lash line. And guys, ये look बहुत simple है, बहुत easy है, कोई भी इसे recreate कर सकता है. So do try it out and send me the picture. And that's pretty much it. Next I'm gonna move on to the mascara. I'll be using this mascara from MAC. So it has two wands, one for the upper lashes and this one for the lower lashes. For today's look, we are not applying any false lashes. So I'll curl the lashes first and then we'll apply the mascara. I'm gonna do my brows and we'll get back to you. Brows are done and let's just move on to the concealer. Now I do not have a concealer from MAC, so I'll be using this one from Makeup Revolution called Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer.
My heart rages around like an
And I'll take my flat concealer brush to blend the kajal with the concealer.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's
You guys always take your liner up.
if you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions.
That's done, and now I'm gonna set it with some powder, and I'll be using this one from Forever 52 since I do not have a compact from MAC. This is basically a banana powder.
And banana powder is a normal loose powder with a yellow tint. Now you get two tones in loose powders, एक translucent powder जो थोड़ा white tone में होता है और एक ये banana powder that I'm using right now. I do not want more brightness under my eyes, that's why I'm using this banana powder.
So we are just locking everything up.
And it's not necessary that you only bake with your loose powder. You can also set your under eyes or your entire face using loose powder.
And I'm gonna grab my blush from MAC. It's in the shade Burnt Pepper. We'll use lots of blush for today's look. So I'll use it on the apples and we'll take it on my cheekbones. And I'm gonna bronze my face using this bronzer from Sugar. And you can use some on your nose as well. For highlighter, I have two options: soft and gentle powder highlighter from MAC, and this creamy highlighter called Pearl, again from MAC. So I have these two options, and I think I'm gonna be using soft and gentle. Guys, this is a beautiful highlighter. I quite like this product because it's not over the top and it's very subtle and beautiful. Now I'm gonna lock my makeup using this setting spray. Again, Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus. This works as a setting spray as well as a priming mist. And we're gonna be doing red lips today because what is a bride without red lips? So I'm using this lip liner from MAC in the shade Ruby Blue. I'm gonna line my lips. So I'll be filling my lips using the lip liner only. guys, I think I need a balm because I do not want chapped lips. And guys, I'm not liking this shade, so I think I'm gonna add this liquid lipstick from Kat Von D. And that's the completed look. Now we're gonna do the hair. Let's just do a side parting for today's look, since we have done a middle partition in all the other looks. I think I'm gonna keep my hair open with just a side parting, and I'll show you the hairstyles in another video. So yeah, we'll keep it like that. I'll quickly change and we'll get back to you.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can
This is the finished look, and I hope you guys like it. And if you did, then make sure you hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. See you next time with the new look, which is the reception look.
only